Hello and welcome back to EK Fab. Today, I have a quick welding tip. Now, what should you do if you need to weld an object that is too big for the clamp that comes with your welder? A good example would be in the middle of an exhaust system, and this happens to be some scrap exhaust pipe. Now let's pretend this is in the middle of the exhaust system. It's just too big for my working clamp. How can I get a good working ground? Well, it's actually very easy. All you need is some copper wire. Copper is one of the best conductors there are, so here's what we're going to do. We're just going to take our copper, wrap it around the object. Okay, it just needs to be touching the object you're trying to weld, and that's it. We're going to take our working clamp, clamp it to the wire, and now the exhaust pipe is now under current, and we can weld. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.